Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Weltha. Hi you guys. Okay, so today you guys, I'm gonna make a baked chicken recipe, okay? So I'm just gonna bake it in the oven. I'm gonna use these are some frozen bell peppers, some orange, yellow, and red ones. I had them frozen in the freezer, but I decided to take them out and use them, okay? And I also have some onions, okay? And then I'm gonna give it a little spice, and I'm gonna use a little jalapeno sauce, okay? And then I'm gonna use some Worcestershire sauce, okay? And we're gonna put a little garlic in there, parsley. We're gonna need some chopped chives, and the seasoning that I'm gonna use is the complete seasoning, okay? And then I'm gonna give it a little bit of salt and some pepper, okay? So these are all the ingredients that. And the chicken that I'm using, you guys, is some chicken thighs, okay? So I took all the skin off, and I tried to take most of the fat off, but I got tired, so there you go. So we're gonna have chicken thighs, baked chicken thighs, okay? I'm gonna give you a baked chicken thigh recipe right now. And these are all the ingredients that I'm gonna use, okay? All right, let's go. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna put on my gloves, and then we're gonna season the chicken, get everything ready, and then we're just gonna put this whole pan in the oven and bake it, okay? All right, so first I'm gonna use some complete seasoning, okay? Sprinkle that all over, okay? And then I'm gonna use some onion powder, all right? Sprinkle, sprinkle. A lot of this, because onion powder tastes so good in your chicken. It's powder, it's not salt, so you can use as much as you want because it's not salty. All right, then next we're going to use some Worcestershire. No, I can't say it. Some Worcestershire sauce, okay? I think that's close enough. And just dabble some of that on it. Okay. And then you guys are going to add the bell peppers. Okay. Sprinkle those all over. Time for the onions. I'm just going to put the onions over it. Okay, you guys. Just make sure you have everything on it. And then we need some black pepper. So hold on just 1 minute. I'm going to use the fine grained black pepper. Just 1 minute. I'll take this glove off. Okay, so I'm just using some black pepper, okay? Alright, now let me get a glove and I'll stir it up. Okay. I'm gonna put a small amount of these in there, okay? Crushed red peppers. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some jalapeno sauce. I want this to be a little spicy. Excuse me, guys. All right, guys, time for some garlic. So I'm gonna use some garlic, okay? I'm just gonna add all this in there. It was like half of this jar. We love garlic. Okay, let's get all that. Don't waste good garlic. Garlic is good for you. Okay. All right. So now I need to stir this. Stir it all together, you guys. So all your spices can get all over the chicken. Okay, I think I want some more of the jalapeno. Okay, hold on just a minute. Let me take this off. Get some more jalapeno. Okay, I'm gonna use some more jalapeno. And just a little more Worcestershire sauce. Okay. Some more Worcestershire. Oops. Let me get another glove. All right, and then we're gonna stir all this together and we're gonna put it in the oven. Hold on. My oven is set to 365. And we're gonna cook it for about 45 minutes. And then we're gonna check on it. Okay, look at that. We want it seasoned really well. Lots of spices on here. It's going to be so delicious. Don't that look good? Look colorful. I wish I had more red bell peppers, but I ran out. Okay. So all the peppers are falling to the bottom. But when they cook, we'll add it to the top and then finish cooking. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna get some aluminum foil, and I also have a top to this pan, so I'm gonna put my aluminum foil over it first because I wanted to make sure that it cooks all the way, and that helps steam it. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the lid on top of the aluminum foil. All right, you guys. Okay, hold on, let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay guys, so I have some aluminum foil. Okay. So, move everything out the way. Aluminum foil over it. I want it to get steamed in there and it'll cook faster. Or it'll make sure the chicken is fully cooked. Okay. And then one more for this side. You want to make sure it's steamed. Make sure it's tight over there. That side is not really tight because I should have moved it over a little bit, so I have to get another little piece. I don't want to take all day to be cooking. I need this to cook. Okay, you guys. So when you make sure that it's fully sealed, okay? You want all that steam to stay in there and cook all those spices together. Alright? And then you're going to get your lid. Put it over there like that. Okay, so now you guys, we're gonna put this in the oven. My oven is set to 365 and I'm gonna cook it for 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes, and then I'll see you guys to check on it. Okay, All right, see you. Okay guys, and this is how I have it sitting in my oven, okay? All right, so now we're just gonna bake it for 45 minutes, okay? And then we'll take it out and check on it. All right, you guys? All right, see you in 45. Okay guys, so it's been 45 minutes. Let's check on it. I'm gonna turn the timer off. Timer's off. All right, so it's been 45 minutes, so let me check on it. Let's see what's going on in here. Get me a spoon. Okay. Ooh, shoot. Okay. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells so good, you guys. Look at that. Ooh, looks so delicious. Okay, I had a lot of chicken in here, you guys. It was like 2 packs because I'm batch cooking today. Cooking a lot of food today, so that's why I put so many in here. So we're gonna have to let it cook for another 15 minutes. Ooh, it smells so good. It's gonna be so delicious. Okay. All right. We're gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes, but we're gonna leave the lid off, okay? For another 15 minutes. All right. All right, guys, so put it back in the oven for 15 minutes, and then it'll be ready, okay? Hold on, let me make sure it's all push flat. 15 minutes, and then we'll be done, okay? Okay, guys, it's ready. So let me turn the timer off. Okay, so the chicken cooked for about an hour. Okay, you guys? All right, let's see. Voila. Look at that. Ooh, looks so delicious. Don't that look good? It's ready, you guys. Ooh. Now let me just 1 minute, you guys. I want to try a piece, see if it's the spice that I wanted it to be. Let me try a piece. Oh, if it's spicy like I wanted it. With that jalapeno sauce, it's gonna be so good. Ooh, let me try. It's good, you guys. Yes, you can taste the jalapeno sauce that I put on it. Taste the Worcestershire sauce. All those onions and peppers, all that combined is so delicious. It's delicious. Okay, you guys, this is it. Okay, this is how I make one of my baked chicken recipes, okay? So this is one of many. I make a lot of food, you guys, so I have different varieties of my dishes that I cook, and this is just one. And I think I've already put a video up on a couple of other recipes of how I bake my chicken, so you can check those out in my playlist, you guys. Okay, but this is the newest one. Okay, so it's baked chicken with some bell peppers, and we have the different colored bell peppers, and we have onions. We put some garlic in here, And now we're gonna add some chopped chives, okay? I'm just gonna add some of those all over. Give it a little more color, okay? All about the color. Okay. Then we're just gonna do this a little bit like that. Keep it pretty. All right, you guys. Ooh, that looks so good. I wish I had more of the red peppers. I love bell peppers. That was my last batch. I need to go shopping, buy some more. I keep the bell peppers and onions in my fridge at all times, and garlic. Okay, you like this recipe, you guys? Let me know. Okay, and this is what we're gonna eat for dinner. Okay, I'm gonna fix it with some rice, but for this video I just made the chicken. Okay, and dip. Hold on, put that down like that. Let me get some photos, and we're good, you guys. We're all done. So just gotta capture some photos of this delicious baked chicken recipe, and then we're gonna have dinner. Okay, I want to put more of some red peppers on top for my photo. Okay, I can find some more red peppers in there. I really love those red ones with this dish. Okay, that's good. It's colorful, right? All right, next time I use more red. It's more of the yellow, but it looks good and it tastes better. Okay, all right, you guys. Okay, guys, that's it. There you have it. You have some delicious baked chicken. Look at it. Delicious baked chicken. You see that? Don't it look good? There you go. All right, guys, that's it. Okay, guys, and there you have it. You have a baked chicken recipe. Delicious baked chicken. Look at that. You see that? Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And please set your notification bell so you know when I upload, because I'm starting to upload more videos now, okay? All right, you guys, thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.